Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial for a equals to 0.1 and b equals to negative 0.01. To solve this exercise, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square, the distributive property, and the rules of exponents for power of a product with two factors, power of a product with three factors, product of two powers, and power of a power. To solve this exercise, I'm going to simplify this polynomial, and then I will substitute a with 0.1 and b with negative 0.01. To simplify the first term of this expression, I need to apply the formula for binomial square. When I do that, this equals to 5ax cubed in parentheses squared plus 2 times 5ax cubed multiplied by b to the 7th power x squared y to the 4th power plus b to the 7th power x squared y to the 4th power in parentheses squared. For the next term, I need to use the distributive property and open parentheses. To do that, I need to multiply the term in front of parentheses with each term within the parentheses. This equals to negative 10 a b to the 7th power x to the 5th power y to the 4th power minus b to the 14th power x to the 4th power y to the 8th power. And simply I need to rewrite the last term, 25b x to the 6th power. To simplify further, I need to apply the rules for exponents. When I do that, this equals to 5 squared or 25 a squared x to the 6th power plus 10 a b to the 7th power x to the 5th power y to the 4th power plus b to the 14th power x to the 4th power y to the 8th power. And then I simply need to rewrite the remaining terms because I can't simplify them further. So this equals to negative 10 a b to the 7th power x to the 5th power y to the 4th power minus b to the 14th x to the 4th y to the 8th plus 25 b x to the 6th power. As a next step, I need to add like or similar terms which have the same literal parts. Such terms are 10 ab to the 7th x to the 5th y to the 4th and negative 10ab to the 7th x to the 5th y to the 4th. These two terms are the same with opposite signs, therefore their sum equals to 0, or they cancel out. I also have b to the 14th x to the 4th y to the 8th with a negative b to the 14th x to the 4th y to the 8th, which also cancel out because they're the same terms with opposite signs. So what I have left is the two terms 25 a squared x to the 6th power plus 25 b x to the 6th power. At this point, I can't simplify further, so I can go ahead and substitute a with 0.1 and b with negative 0.01. When I do that, this equals to 25 0.1 squared x to the 6th power plus 25 multiplied by negative 0.01 x to the 6th power. So this equals to 25 multiplied by 0.01 x to the 6th power plus 25 parentheses multiplied by negative 0.01 x to the 6th power. And then when I simplify further, this equals to 0.25 x to the 6th power minus 0.25 x to the 6th power. So these are again the same terms with opposite signs, which cancel out and equal to 0. 0 is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching and learning. If you liked what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up by clicking the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions.